Before you install new ceramic over existing ceramic, you'll need to do some surface preparation. The first step is sanding the old tile with 100 grit sandpaper to rough up the surface. Next, you'll need to apply a bonding primer to the surface. We're also applying the primer to the concrete slab in a void created when we remove the old cabinetry. To fill that void and the grout joints in the old floor, we're mixing up a floor leveling compound. This material is a relatively thin liquid when it goes on, so that it'll flow into the low places and level itself in the voided areas where the cabinets were relocated. We trowel it over the old tile to fill in the grout joints, so once it's dry, we have a completely flat, level surface across the whole bathroom. From this point, the process is much like any ceramic project. We chalk layout lines along the longest dimension of the room and begin applying thin set mortar with a notch trowel. The thin set acts as glue to secure the tiles to the floor. The chalk lines and plastic spacers help us maintain straight lines and consistent spacing. Once the tiles are in and dry, we can apply the grout with a rubber float before we clean off the excess material, revealing our new finished tile floor.